Hello everyone, this side Ayush from Invent Model, and I am going to cover the following topics with my team member Neha ma'am uh, on MDM SaaS. So our topic is how to control data level access and difference between RBAC, which is role-based access control, and attribute-based access control, which is called ABAC. And the third point is difference between predefined role and custom role in MDM SaaS. So I'm going to cover the what is data, how to control data level access. So first of all, I would like to clarify that what is data level access. So if we want to specify that a particular user which is working in MDM SaaS can access following particular records like records of India only. So through data level access, we can specify that. So for uh, controlling this data level access, we have to follow certain steps that I'm going to cover. So first of all, we have to go to data access rule, which is in Business 360 console. Uh, and under that, we have to go to security section. Then we have to define uh, role for particular user. Uh, Only after that, we can do the control of data level access. After that, we have to define data access rule. So in that rule, we have to specify that for which attribute. If we want to specify that person can access only India candidates. So there we have to specify in that rule. We have to write the rule for that, and for that we have to configure asset to protect and configure the conditions. So in that condition, we will write that country name should be equal to USA. So based on that rule, it will fetch only the user will be able to access the records of only in Indian customers. So this is the practical representation of that data data access, data level access. So first of all, we can see that we are going to security section, and there we define the asset to protect. So asset can be anything like any business entity. It could be organization, person, and we have two permission. One is allow and one is deny. So we can allow and we can deny. And here we are specifying the conditions on the basis of record level. So here, the practical representation is of company type. So if company type is equal to national, so the user will have access only this specific company national. So yeah, that's all from my side. Now Neha ma'am will continue from here.
Hello guys, I am Neha from Invent Model Technologies. Here I am explaining the difference between RBAC and ABAC. Yeah. Then there in MDM SaaS there are two type of models means approach we can use for the roles of the user. One is RBAC and second one is ABAC. RBAC means role based access control. Means here we can access means give the control to the user on the basis of the roles. Like we have different types of roles in a organization, like admin role, manager role, employee role. So based on these roles, we can give some type of means role and access type of access to the users. And in this, access is granted based on the predefined roles, like as I already told, admin, employee, manager. There can be multiple type of role in an organization, and user are assigned to that role, and each role have fixed permission. Like admin can have all the access, like read, write, and delete type of permission in the organization. So it will be the higher means priority. And then manager can also read, write something, some he can also access like this type of qualities in this in this means RBC type of rules. And in attribute access roles, we can define like activities based on the attributes can belongs to the user, resources or environment. Like example in MDM says like a data analyst from the US can only view US customer data. So in we can go to the security business 360, then the security, and here are multiple type of feature which one user can access. So based on the role, we can means give the attributes for that user. Like in name, you can access the USA users, and in description we can means write like what type of attribute he or she. Like in the conditions, we can apply some conditions for that user. Means which type of countries he or she can access. Like if we define here, so he can only view the US countries. Means when we will he will log into the admin panel, then he will able only to see the countries from the USA. So here we have multiple type of attributes like SS type, which we want to give attributes, operations, values, and we can give these type of controls to the users. So this is the main difference between the RBAC and ABAC. So it can means we can give the flexibility to the users. IUS can we give the yeah. And granularity of access in RBAS, broad access control at the role level. Here we can only define the role, so we can give the access to the role base. And in ABAC, fine-grained control using multiple conditions. As I earlier told, we can means combine two type of condition, three type or multiple type of conditions for a user. Here is the example of MDM SaaS, means a data steward role can edit all the records. So these all already I have told, means based on the user's role and their means roles in the organization, we can give access to this type of users. Another one is difference between predefined and custom role in the MDM SaaS. So in MDM SaaS, it is already come with some predefined type of rules. Means here already which we can use frequently or generally which type of roles defined in an organization. Already MDM SaaS provide these type of rules. But if we want to add some custom roles or means based on these categories, we can define some type of custom role as well in the MDM SaaS. So here we can also means predefined roles already we can easily access, or we can easily define also the custom role in the MDM SaaS. So for this we have to go to the administration console, and we can give the we can means write our custom roles for the users as well. Like in example, finance data analyst can access only financial data records, and for the regional data manager, he can only edit only the data record to a specific region. So we can define these type of custom roles and duties for the user. So it is also useful in the current scenario, means current scenarios, like where we want to use this custom type of role. But already here, there I think 40 or 43 roles already predefined. So these type of roles called predefined. We can generally use by only deselecting them from the administrative panels. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks, Ayush and Neha. We can stop the recording at this point.